Finding articles in your account is easy with Inoreader's search. Let's see how it works. To get started, click Search in the tab bar. Select a source in your account and enter a search term. Use filters to narrow the results and find exactly what you need. Once you get matching articles, open them to read instantly or save them for later. For detailed searches, try the Advanced Query Builder. Set your conditions and click Show Results. You can also search within what you're currently viewing, a specific feed, folder, or your saved items. And that's it. With Inoreader's search, the articles you need are always just a few clicks away.